I don't know what was going on in my brain this week, but the clips seem to be a little bit all over the place. So hello, happy Sunday, hope you're doing good. It's been a little bit chaotic around here. This week that I'm about to show you is a week where we had a wedding and various other bits and pieces going on that I didn't film for obvious reasons. And I'm not really sure what happened to the clips, but I'm going to just let you know that jumping into this first one, I'd been sorting out the balcony, which is going to be a video coming soon. So I do reference it. However, I can't seem to find a clip where I actually talk to you about the balcony for the weekly vlog. So I'm not entirely sure what happened with that one. But here's me basically updating you on what's going on with the balcony and starting the weekly vlog. We've pressed pause. I realised it was a stupid idea to be doing the balcony when I actually have work to do. Like, that was major, like, ADHD, procrastination brain, like, just not doing what I should be doing. So what I've done is I've popped the plants that we bought, I've popped onto the balcony in, like, basically our vegetable plant pots. We have these little trays that go underneath, so I've stood all of the flowers and stuff that we bought on those, given them a little water, put them out the way of direct wind, and I'm going to sort them out on the weekend. So for now they can stay in their little pots, we can keep them watered, and we'll sort them out on the weekend because I don't need to do it right now. Like, I do not need to do it right now. So I think what I'm going to do is, like, Sunday morning have a bit of a gardening moment. It's going to be in a whole separate video because I really want to make sure that I make a balcony video and, like, show you what we're getting up to, how we're doing it, what our thought process is, all that kind of stuff. But maybe I'll give you a little show in the vlog because I've got quite a lot going on this week. So today today I'm just at home working. Tomorrow likewise, we've just got 2 days at home getting work done. And then on Thursday, we have James's friend's wedding. So he's best man, which is really exciting. He's got his speech all done. It sounds really good. So we're heading down for that on Wednesday to Friday because it's kind of near Brighton. So we're going to be staying in a hotel, which is where they're getting married. So I'll make sure I show you our room and stuff there, because I know there might be someone watching who's maybe looking for a wedding venue, so I can show you what it's like as a guest. I'm not going to vlog the wedding, but I'll obviously show you what I wear and I'll show you the room, and, like, I can have a little chat to you kind of here and about. I don't feel like it's appropriate to vlog someone else's wedding. And also I feel like I want to be in that moment. I don't really want to vlog it. Likewise with the weekend that just went. So I went down to Devon for a charity gala for my friend Abby. She set up, I think it's called the Dan Payne Foundation. I'll leave it down below if I can find the GoFundMe, because I think she said she's got one. But that was really fun, and I was with all the Bali girls. It was so much fun. I absolutely loved it. And I just didn't even pick up my phone, let alone pick up a camera. Like, we spent the entire night, I think we made sure we went out for, like, quick outfit pictures because we really wanted to get some pictures in our dresses. Forgot to take a group picture. Didn't really take any pictures with each other, like, at all. And all we really ended up with was, like, 1 picture each. But that's a sign of a good night when you haven't picked your phone up. And then the next morning we went for brunch down on the seafront. I can't for the life of me remember where we went. I can't remember the names of anything, but it's a really beautiful little place in Devon that was really stunning. So absolutely love that. We also bid on the live auction when we were there, and we won a little cottage stay in Devon. So all 8 of us that went to Bali together, I'll leave the Bali vlogs linked in the cards and stuff, but all 8 of us that went together are going to go and stay in a little cottage in Cornwall, which is really cute, in October. So I can't wait for that. It's gonna be amazing. And we got it for really inexpensive as well. I think we got it for like £400, so it was like 50 quid each for 3 nights, which is amazing. So amazing. And obviously it went to charity too, so little good deed. But yeah, so that was really fun. This week we've got the wedding. I will not be vlogging the wedding, but I'll vlog around it. And then on the weekend I'm shooting with Tash because we haven't shot in a really long time and done pictures. And then we're also hanging out with James's sister and her partner. So nice little family day. We're going to take Buddy, their dog, out for a walk. Maybe, I think our plan was to go for a long dog walk and then go, like, to a cute cafe or something, but I can't really remember what we actually planned. We kind of made the plan a couple of weeks ago when we were together, and we were like, let's get the next date in so we don't forget, and I don't know if we ever made a plan for this weekend. But I think it'll be nice to do something outside because it's meant to be sunny, so we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. I think it's meant to be about 18 degrees, which is nice. But I need to get on with some work because it's nearly 1 o'clock. I've got a plumber coming to fix our toilet because it's got like a overflow leak thing at the moment. So a plumber's coming to fix that at 2, and I don't really want to be editing a vlog. Oh, I guess I could do it in headphones, but I'm like, do I want to be watching myself out loud? Like, it's gonna be annoying and awkward. So hopefully I can just get my work done in my headphones so that they don't hear me talking to myself. Hopefully, I don't know, but I'm gonna get on with some work and drink some water because I haven't drunk enough this weekend. Lots of gin, just no water.
a little bit of a break purchases, and I'm getting my hair chopped off. It's super long. I need to have a break.
I really didn't think through how I'm getting in and out of this dress tomorrow. I can't do it up by myself. What I'll do, guys, because I know I'll be asked about all of these dresses, so I'm gonna give you a little show on the vlog, and then what I'm gonna do is link all of the link the reel to all of the dresses down below, and I'll link all of the dresses down below. And also there is going to be a YouTube video version of this coming. I just need to get it approved because it's an ad, but this is the one I'm wearing tomorrow to James's friend's wedding. I really hope for them that it's sunny tomorrow. They're planning to do it outside, but if it's not outside, it's going to be inside. So I really hope for them that the weather stays good, because there's nothing more annoying than when you plan an outside wedding and you've got like this whole like vision in your mind of what you want it to be, and then it's raining and then you have to move. So fingers crossed they get what they want and it's outside, hopefully. I really hope for them it is. But I'm going to get on and film this. I'm going to do like a little... It's going to be a simple like wedding hacks for when you don't want to spend a fortune on wedding season, because I've hit that point in life now where I've got quite a few weddings coming up. So I had one of my friends, not last summer but the summer before. We've got James's best friends now, we've got my friends next year. Then I think next year is going to be the year where the weddings really start to like ramp up a bit. And because we both have quite a few friends, I've just got a feeling that we're going to be going to quite a few weddings. So I'm thinking it's going to be like multiple a year. I know some people have like 10 weddings in a year, which is absolutely mad. Like, I don't know how people have that many friends, or that many friends getting married specifically. We don't have quite that many, but I do have 2 friends that are engaged. Have I got 2 friends or more? I think it's 2 friends that are engaged. Maybe there's more. I don't think there's more. And then we obviously have some that are getting married and stuff as well. So yeah, I am gonna get this filmed. I'm gonna leave you on a cheeky little time lapse while I drink my smoothie and get it done. You can't even see me. Good morning, guys. Slash good evening. I don't actually know what time it is. I think it's gone 12. But we are at the hotel. We had our first day yesterday. Basically got here and then got straight into like wedding stuff. So it was like helping sort things out, like going for drinks, etc, etc. It's about 12:30. I think the weddings, we've got to be downstairs at like 1:30. James has already gone down because obviously he's best man, so he's down with his friend and stuff. And I'm ready. I got myself ready early so I could sit and read my book for a bit, because I'm still going on Silver Flames. I'm about 30% of the way through, but I've been reading it so much slower than I normally read. I think just because I've been so busy with so many things going on, I just haven't had like 5 minutes to actually sit and read it. But I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing, and I'll show you the room as well. But this is what I'm gonna wear. Let me try and change angle and I can show you the full outfit. Okay, so I've gone for, I did have a few options with me, but I thought, you know what? Let me go for the one that I think is the safest for a spring wedding. So I've gone for this yellow dress, which is a lot more yellow than it looks on camera, but it's a yellow dress. It's really nice and floaty. It's from Free People. I'll leave it linked, but it's called the Dahlia, I think, and I also have it in navy. It's honestly so stunning, but I don't normally wear it for, well, I haven't really had a wedding to wear it to or anything, but I normally wear it for something that's quite chilled, like just if I'm going out for drinks or something, like just something summery. So I thought I'd wear it with my little cream heels and my little cream Songmont bag. This is the Luna bag, you know, the one that I have in black as well. Let me show you actually. So that's it with the strap, and then you can also make it a croissant bag. So this gold bit basically like sticks together, and it also does have a longer strap as well, but this is the 2 ways that I wear it. So it's quite a good versatile one for a wedding or something, and for every day. So I quite like it because I've got the 2 bags and I wear them a lot for occasion things as well. But this is my outfit. I think it's nice and cute, very simple, very easy breezy. So now I'm just waiting for the other groomsmen girlfriends because we don't really know anyone. And because we don't really know anyone, we're basically just gonna all like go together, the 3 of us. And obviously all of like James's friends, fiance, her friends and stuff, they're obviously all like bridesmaids and stuff getting ready together. So yeah, I've just been getting ready, done my hair and stuff. Now I'm just waiting, which is actually quite nice. I'm gonna read my book for a little bit. I have no idea what the time is because I don't know where I've put my phone. Oh, it's on the bed. Okay, let me show you the room as well actually. Okay, this is our room. So we've got this beautiful colour scheme going on. It's absolutely stunning in here. Obviously our stuff is kind of everywhere, but there's this really gorgeous fireplace, some little artwork vibes. It's really beautiful. And then out the window, this is what it looks like. How pretty. And you can just about see all the hills and stuff over there and over there as well, but it's gorgeous.